Hey guys, Alex here with 911R and Avant-Garde. I'm going to do a quick walk around video showcasing the quality of this Boss 302. All the wheels are really nice. I do agree with some of the comments in regards to the stance, how these wheels are very complimenting to the car. Go look up front here, all the chrome's in really good shape. Everything was really well done at a high level. Same with the paint and all the decals. Go ahead and take a look at the inside here. Headliner, rear seats. All the windows work really well. Same with the passenger side. Let's take a look at the engine bay. As stated, the numbers matching engine does come with the sale of the car. Head over to the passenger side. Same thing, super clean, well put together, well done. Take a look back here, open up the trunk. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or you can hit the contact seller button. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions.